Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at the Patterson job, and we're doing a big remodel along with an extremely large 40 by 40 screen enclosure. The customer had someone install these pavers about 1 year ago, and you see what happened. They were sloping towards the house. Lots of weeds were growing through, mold, fungi. A very bad job. As you see, the drains laying here weren't even serving a proper purpose. So this is what happens when you purchase from people that don't have the reviews, the longevity, and just the know-how to get the job done. So this is just a quick overview of the Patterson job. We're going to be doing some footing work, placing some pavers, doing the pool coping, and putting a big screen enclosure up. So stay tuned. Y'all have a blessed day.